Hello all, myself Sachin and today we'll learn hosting in JavaScript. So we have three keywords here where, let and const. They are used to declare variables. Hosting can be done in all of three. So first of all we'll understand what is hosting. Hosting in JavaScript's default behavior of moving declarations to the top of the scope. They are declared in local, global or block scope. Basically it gives us an advantage that no matter where function and variables are declared, they are moved to the top of their scope. Writing code that does variable hosting is a bad practice. So there is no need of such code. So we will not do the variable hosting, but function hosting could be very useful for organizing code. For example, putting helper function at the bottom of the file and using them on the top in our main function, because the main function's implementation would be what matters and not the helper function. So it helps us in function hosting. So we were at in this table where, let and const, there are three keywords. All are doing hosting, but where is doing with default value and let and const are doing without default value. Result of where is undefined and of let and const is giving the reference error. The scope for the where is global and local, and scope for the let and const are global, local and block scope. Now we can redeclare the where, but we cannot redeclare the let and const. We can reassign the value of where and let, but cannot reassign the value of const. The const is for the constant variables which have constant value, which we cannot redeclare and reassign. So now we come towards the example. We have the variable hosting here, and we have first written the console.log of x, and then we have defined the x. X is a variable, its value is 10. Now we can see its result. By the hosting, which is default in JavaScript, the x will be read before it is defined. Now see the result. So we have this undefined. Okay. So as we know, it has been hosted and it's hosted with default value, that is undefined. Now we move towards the let. See its result. We can see it is giving a reference error because it has not been initialized. Now we come towards the const. We have same reference error because x has not been initialized before. So hosting is done, but it's giving an error. Now we come towards the function hosting. For the function hosting, we have console log the value of my function, and my function is declared later, that is returning I am hosted through function. Now let's say we run this. For that we have to comment this. Now we are running and it's saying that I am hosted through function. So function hosting is done properly and it is what is useful for us. Thank you.